I see my carrots and my pumpkin plant. Oh, say, I see a whole lot of critters sitting out here. Next thing is, they'll be in my carrot patch too.
Why, Mr. Granger, I don't think you're seeing too well. These aren't critters. These are children.
Huh? Kids, you say? Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Oh.
Guys, can I come to corn on my shoe? Mom, could I bring this phone out?
I suppose you're right.
Just sit right here for me.
Well, why don't you say hello to all the nice boys and girls?
Well, what about the ones that aren't very nice?
Oh, Mr. Granger, all of these children are nice.
Okay. Hi, nice boys and girls. Hello, welcome to the farm.
Say hello.
Hi.
I suppose they're safe in your carrot patch. Kids these days, some of them don't like carrots.
Sure enough. Now, kids, would you help me out? If you see any critters up here, would you holler out, critter? Can we practice say, critter? Critter! I think you could do better than that. Say, critter! Yeah, that'll scare a critter out, won't it? Yeah. Scare these critters out because it's really hard growing all these things.
So, Mr. McGregor, besides carrots, what do you grow in your garden?
Well, let's see. There's lettuce and corn and onions and strawberries.
I see a pumpkin.
Yep, pumpkin too.
Oh, I like pumpkins.
Yeah, it's really hard work growing these things, so. I don't see a critter. Did you say critter? Well, there ain't no. I don't see a critter. I don't see a critter. What was it? What was it? Beetle. What did you get on rabbit? Beetle. Where'd he go?
I think I just
I think he went down that hole again. No, they get on the pumpkin plants and they get in the stems of the What you see now? Was it that same old gray rabbit?
Yeah.
No. You guys, are you as blind as me? No. What the hell was he? I can't get a rabbit if I don't know what color he was. Well, I'm going to look for a gray rabbit and a brown rabbit. All right. Okay. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to find my hoe and I'm going to hit him with a hoe. Get him out of here, okay? I'll chase him with my hoe. All right. Right here. Oh, the hoe.
This is a sign.
Well, can I hit him with the sign? I think I can use the sign.
I think we need to read the sign.
Read the sign. It says, it says, pollution.
Pollination.
It says,
Pollination.
pollination.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, I don't see too well, but I do know that word pollination is very important in my garden.
What does pollination do? What does it mean?
Well, let's start here with these pumpkin plants. Why don't you look inside them?
Well, let's see here. This one has one thingy in the middle, and so does this one. And this one has a bunch of thingies in the middle.
Those thingies are called stamens. The one with the single stamen in the middle is the male flower, and the one with lots of stamens in the middle is the female flower.
Oh, boy and girl flowers.
Oh, right you are. Now touch inside one of those flowers.
Oh, let's see here. Oh, look, I got yellow powder on my finger.
The yellow powder is the pollen inside the pumpkin flower.
So what does the pollen do?
Well, in order for a pumpkin to start growing on this pumpkin plant, pollen from the male flower has to get to the stamens of the female flower. Put your duster away, Miss Marty. Okay. Good night.
Oh, I got it. The bees got the pollen on their legs and spread it around like I got it on my fingers.
You're exactly right. The pollen goes down into the flower and the bees are started. The pumpkin begins growing under the female flower.
Oh, let's look under this female flower here.
Go play.
No, you have to stay still.
You're exactly right. Sure enough. You know, I think a pretty intelligent creator did this.
Good thinking, Mr. McGregor.